Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this 3 by 3 gear cube. This is very interesting and very simple cube. Uh, if you look at this 3 by 3, there are few different moves than this 3 by 3. Whereas if we move this right hand side one time clockwise, then it is R. So this is R, and if we move the upside one time clockwise, that is U, and similarly one time clockwise left hand side, that is L, and if we move anti-clockwise once, that is L prime or uh, Li. So in this case uh, it moves like this. So this is yellow side, so we cannot move one time clockwise. So this is the yellow side, but if we want to move this cube uh, upside one time clockwise, that is this movement. So it is not one time, but it is two times. So this yellow side is on back once we move upside. So this is on back side. So this is our U move, but with two times. Similarly, if this is R move, so R is not like this, because this is not the complete move of the middle layer. So if it is R, then it will be like this. So this front side will be on back side. So it is R but with two moves. So this is with two moves R, and similarly R prime, so two moves anti-clockwise. So now let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly, and to solve this cube there are three simple easy steps. One is to fix the corners with center. Second step is to fix the edges, and third step is to orient the edges. These are three simple steps. So first let us start with to fix the corners. So this is red and purple, so we need to find another red and purple uh, next to this corner. So this is red and purple, so this corner will come here next to this corner. So to bring this corner here, first we'll have to bring it on back side so that we can take it up. So we'll have to move this corner on back side like this. So this is on back side of right hand side, and now we will have to bring it up. So now we can see we have two red and purple color corners. Now we have to find another two corners, red corners, which will fix here. So these two corners, red corners, which are on back side, I mean downside, that we will have to bring it on top. So first we will have to bring it on this side. So simply move it here. Now we will have to bring it on top, but at the same time we need to fix the red center also. Red center is here. Once we move this up, this red center will also fix automatically. So simply bring it up. Now we can see all corners are fixed and the center is also fixed. On the back side, now we can see the orange side is also fixed. Now we have to see this side. This is also blue side is also fixed along with the center. So this is, I mean, all centers and corners are fixed. So our first step is over. Okay, so now next step is to fix the edges. So here it is yellow and red, so it should be yellow and red over here. Similarly here it should be green and red. So first we need to find, there are three different cases. One case wherein all edges are placed properly, all ages, but in this case it is not. Second case is few ages are swept against each other. So in this case red and purple is here, and here it is red and yellow. So this red and yellow edge should be here, and this red and purple should be here, so it is opposite swap. So this is one case. Second case is X. So this edge blue and orange should be here, blue and orange. So this is opposite like this. So this, and similarly orange and green should be here, orange and green, and this blue and red should be here. So it is cross, so it is X situation. So we have two cases, case number 2 which is opposite swap, and case number 3 that is X. So first we'll solve the opposite swap, and that will solve this X situation also. So first we'll swap this, and to swap this too we need to hold it like this, and we need to swap this too, right? And first we have to do this algorithm, that is U means 2 moves, and 2 are 1 and 2, again U, and 2 are 1 and 2. So now you can see this is solved. So this edge is in proper place, this edge is also in proper place, and similarly, oops, this is popped out. Okay, so this orange and yellow is also into its correct. So this middle layer edges are placed properly. Now we have to place this middle layer, horizontal layer, and this layer. So first we'll see which one is into its position. So okay, so this is purple and blue, and this is purple and green. So now we can see this is also again, because once we solve the opposite edge swap, this we got the situation where it was X earlier, now it is moved to I mean opposite swap. So this is blue and purple, and this is purple and green. So here it should be blue and purple, and here it should be purple and green. So it is opposite swap. So this edge will come here and this edge will come here. So again we'll do the same algorithm that will solve this two and bottom two. Bottom also, if you can see, this is yellow and blue, and this is yellow and green. So yellow and blue should be here, and yellow and green should be here. So this entire middle layer will solve. So simple, U 2 R 1 2, again U 2 R 1 2. So now we can see this edge is into its correct position, but it is not oriented properly. This is also into its correct position, but it is not oriented properly. Similarly, this is also in its correct position. So the middle age layer is already, middle ages are into its correct position. Now last step is to orient the edges. These edges are already oriented properly. We have to orient this four edges only, this two and this two. So even if you get a situation where all edges are not oriented properly, this is one algorithm which will solve, and easiest algorithm. We need to do this R 4 times. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the cube will be solved. So now we can see all edges are solved and our cube is solved. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me. Thank you.